Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 going here, we will have about 0 over 0. Because ln of number 1 you got about 0, sine of number 0 you got about 0. Cosine of s with s equal to number 0, we have 1 minus 1 square. You got about 0. That's why we have 0 over 0. And we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So on numerator, we will have negative number 1 over 1 minus s. This one we have cosine s. This one we will have about 2 cosine s sine s, because first the derivative of cosine s square we have negative number 2 sine s cosine s, but we have the negative sign here. That's why you got about positive. First the derivative of number 1 you got about 0. Now when we put s approach to number 0 going here and here, this one we will have about negative number 1. This one with the negative we have negative number 1. So on numerator we have negative number 2, but this one you got about 0 from sine s. So in this situation we can create about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. About the limit on the right, we know that this one is about negative number 2. So cosine this one, they are positive because s approach to number 0 on the right, so that should be about the positive side on the right of the number 0. So this one of side you got about positive number, but they approach to number 0 for this one. So this one will be about negative infinity, because on numerator is about negative number 2. Similar for s approach to number 0 on the left. So cosine they still about positive, but this one is about negative number 2. Sine of number 0 on the left is about the negative. So this one negative divided by negative, you got about positive. And we know that this limit does not exist because they are infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.